Okay, I'm recording. Working on the pickup camper. Just put these panels on the bottom, underneath. Got that done. Now let's come around here. I got my my door kind of framed out, so be a 2 foot wide, a little less than 2 foot. Okay, that's all done. Now I'm going to do this side underneath. You know, I'm getting there, a little bit at a time. You know, these are the panels I'm using. Scrap panels. As you can see, it's aluminum with a plastic core and a metal on the other side. I don't believe that's aluminum. Maybe it is. But it's all junk stuff. See how dirty it is? Then I got to get this piece on underneath for my bed area. Okay, I'll take a trip inside. You know, here's some old stuff I'm going to use for my windows. That plexiglass stuff. Okay, I'm inside. As you can see, this is my head height. Right. So it's pretty decent. Probably put a porta potty here in this corner. Gonna put a single bed up here and make my table to drop here, so we got another bed there maybe. You know, so put a counter here, stove, and put a